What's up, girl mom? We heading to Hurricane Harbor, Six Flags. Look at
Yay!
the crew.
Woo!
About to splash it up, have some fun in the sun. Cause you know this Arizona heat is no jizzle. What's this? Is it 87 already?
It's 87. Yep, it's gonna be hot today. Baby.
Oh man.
The first thing I'm getting is the wave pool.
The wave pool. Okay, well I'm going down some big slides. I'm
Yeah,
ready.
we about to get on some water slides.
Yeah, we'll
and
go
have
on the
some
tornado.
fun.
We down for that today. We didn't go. on
And
the
we
last
gonna bring y'all with us. Everybody make some noise. Woo! Make some noise for the vlog,
Say
Cause y'all gonna be famous. Girl mob.
Woo!
Yeah. Just arrived here at the water park. Check that out. Six Flags Hurricane Harbor. We be up in this piece every day. We be up in this piece every day because it be hot as Hades out here. And this is Callie. Hey, y'all, look at her.
Hi.
Don't she look like the girl from Problem Child?
Come on.
She act like her too, y'all. Say hi, Lily.
Say hi.
Hi to the vlog, Laisha.
Give me your hands, girls. Come on, Cal.
Them the babies. Should we get on the sidewalk?
Yep. Yeah. I'm the best
Yeah, so
mom
yeah,
in the
we just
world.
about to have a ball.
I know I am.
Um,
Go ahead. Okay, you gotta wait.
Yeah, so we got a lot coming up for y'all this summer. I'm gonna be hanging with these chicks. Some of my homegirls. And we gonna be on our travel tip this summer, y'all. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. But other than that, I see y'all when we get in this piece, because y'all don't want to wait in line with me. This line is like wrapped around the park. So I just had to show y'all. You see all these people trying to get up in this water park? This looks like everybody in Arizona.
You want to go today?
This is how hot it is out here, y'all. And we all the way in the back.
I'm at the water park. What are you doing?
Look at she all up on FaceTime.
Hello?
No, I just wanted to show y'all this line.
You're laying down now? Yeah, hold this thing.
I don't want no pictures.
This nigga always talking crap, y'all. You see this? That's what he do for a living.
Getting older.
Just talk crap. Why? Lord Jesus, nobody warned me. Lisa, why you didn't warn me
What?
about teenagers?
Ah, girl. Teenagers are worse than you.
He's not even a teenager. Jordan is.
So,
How old is Jordan?
he's about to be 14. Going on 38. No, stop.
No, back up.
I don't get no whoopings or no stay home.
You get slappings, that's why. Slappings. Block me again.
My block all your hits.
Don't.
Then I'm a tukey. She not real.
Come here, calculation.
Oh, I got you. I scratched you too. I got you.
I ain't hurt.
It's gonna hurt.
Yo, no. Yo, hit some animals. No.
They think somebody's scared of them when they get big. Nobody's scared.
Gotta be scared.
Don't nobody care. Alright, y'all. We about to get us an area to sit and then get us some food. There go the wave pool. We get on all of these water rides. We got some mild buffalo wings and fries. We got burgers, wings,
Sit down. I said scoop.
everybody's stuff in their face. Hey, y'all, that's the birthday boy. He blessing.
Yes, he is. Oh, birthday boy. Where's that ranch? Can I have some of this?
On point. Wings on point. This fish grease go. What are those? Like little VIP sessions? No disrespect.
No.
But some of these people should not be in the bathing suits that they are
You're
in.
so silly. Tell Nevaeh, come on. I know what we're gonna have to do.
What?
But grab some of them chairs and sit up. Where's Nevaeh?
I should be wearing mine. Hey, you're wearing Crocs. Let's sit on the floor.
Just have flat in the shade. Over here. Come on, spread our towels out. Go get 2 white chairs. Lacia, Kelly, spread towels out. Nevaeh, go grab 2 white chairs that ain't being used. Spread them out all over here so nobody can take our chairs. You don't have to. Come on. Excuse us, sorry.
Sorry.
Over here, not in the way, right here. Over here.
I don't have no space.
Spread it out. You do have space.
Right here?
Yeah.
Move the bag. Move the clothes. There's plenty of space right here. My boyfriend got some chairs.
I put the car keys in there.
Okay. I'm gonna put my phone.
We have more space right here.
We going to eat first, right?
That ain't the main walkway right here. That's fine.
Just move out the way of the walkway, like right here. All we got to do is back up right here.
I want to take off my wristband.
No, then you won't be able to get right.
I'll just share with my little girl.
There.
Move your shoes off to the
Move.
side. Everybody move your shoes. Lily, get up and move these shoes over there. Let's go. Put the shoes over there. Yeah, Lily, over here. Kelly.
It's the kids.
Woo! About to go down some slides.
So now we're going to find a water slide to go down.
The kids are gone. This is adult time.
Yes.
Ah.
Woo woo. Had lunch. We let that settle. Ready to hop in the pool.
My feet is hot.
See, you should have worn your shoes. That's what you get. That's why I got my shoes on.
And I just got my feet done.
Well, let's go get on the tornado. Dang, that line. We're going to be in there for a minute. Yep. Y'all, we about to get on the tornado first. It's going to be the first ride of the day.